Let's take a look at your markets now, starting off with the JSE. So local markets receiving a mixed handover from Asia as political jitters playing out in South Korea weighed on sentiment there. This not really weighing on the mood here at home. The JSE ending in the green for the fourth straight day. The All Share up just over 0.6%. This mainly boosted by a 1.5% increase in the financial 15. Industrial 25 following, also ending in the green, up 0.8%. Resources 10 complex pretty flat but below the flat line, in the red, down 0.06%. Stateside now, markets there really having a slow start to the day after all three major indexes scored record closing highs yesterday, and that was helped by the comments from the Fed. Powell just reaffirming that the U.S. economy remains strong. This not really boosting sentiment today as those stocks start in the red. Pretty flat though. The S&P 500 down 0.07%. The Dow with the biggest losses there, down down 0.15%. The Nasdaq edging lower, losing 0.04%. Across the Atlantic now, political issues stealing headlines following the collapse of the French government. This, however, not having much of an impact on markets. As you can see, markets there mostly in the green, with the exception of the FTSE 100, pretty flat, just below the flat line, down 0.01%. The DAX making the biggest gains there, up close to 0.6%. The CAC 40 up just over 0.25%. On your currency front now, starting off with the rand, we are seeing gains on that front, strength coming through as the dollar loses momentum today. The dollar to the rand sitting at 18.04, the pound to the rand at 23, and the euro to the rand at 19. Look at your other currencies now. The euro to the dollar at 1.05, slightly weaker, but really holding up despite those political developments playing out in France. The pound to the dollar sitting at 1.27, the dollar to the yen just above 150.